Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn how to make a hen and a cock. So are you excited? So let's start. We will first draw a hen, and for that we will make a circle in the middle of the sheet. By now you might be very confident to draw a circle without any help. After that, we will cut a portion. See this, how we are cutting it away? Cut this portion, a small curve, and also that we will extend it towards the right hand side. Also similarly, we will do it at the left hand side, but here we will have 3 more curves. And that is supposed to be the eye and the beak, and here is the comb. So that's the wings. So we draw a horizontal line for the level, and then we will make the toe. So that's the 2 legs. So now we will make the cock. As we did earlier, we will make a circle. After that, we will cut a portion of that circle, a small curve, and we will extend it. That's the beak, eye, and this is the comb. So here we are making long tails. Then we make the leg. And now we will take out all the lines which we don't need. So there are some lines which are not needed. So we will use our eraser and erase all the lines. So now we will darken the lines, and for that we are using a sketch pen. So now our hen and cock, they are ready. We will once again remove all the lines. So now we start coloring, and we are using the colors that we like. you can have your own choice. For the tail, we are right now using green. So our hen and cock both are ready. So with a brown crayon we draw some lines showing the ground and some seeds. And if you remember that we had learned how to draw a chick, then you can also draw some chicks around, then you will have a complete family. So now you draw your picture, color it and send it to my WhatsApp number. All the best. Bye.